got all my ingredients here onto my counter. I'm coming in with my white melting chocolate, and I'm just gonna bring this back and put it right onto my baking sheet. Alrighty, I'm just gonna pop this into my oven at 200 degrees for about 5 minutes. Alrighty, our white chocolate is melted. Alrighty. We are just mixing everything in with our white chocolate, getting all these delicious flavors combined. And the best way I find to do this is with your hands using gloves. We started off with our Fruity Pebbles. We had some lightly salted peanuts in here, marshmallows, strawberry frosted flakes, pretzels, everyone's favorite. And we finished it up with some dried cranberries that are gonna give this such a fun texture and a little bit of fiber. Alrighty, we're just gonna let this dry. All right, y'all, our treat is ready. Can you imagine anything better than bringing this homemade gift to your neighbors for a special occasion, Christmas, New Year's, good neighborly gift? Y'all, I'm just gonna show you, we're just gonna break this up. You can use a little spatula if you'd like. I set this onto wax paper, and now I'm just using my spatula to kind of break this into pieces. Ooh, look at that. I am just gonna take a bite, y'all. Those cranberries, those crunchy pretzels, that little bit of peanut. This is so good, y'all. You've gotta try it.